Wow! Hi everyone! Good evening everyone! Hello everyone! Good evening! This is me, Josephine, and welcome to my vlog! It's finally here! I have fixed chocolate, the viral chocolate in Dubai. Ooh, this is it. Can get kunafa. And then, let's see what's inside. Hindi ko siya ma-open. Kung matutunaw na siya, friend. Ay, ang ganda. Pink! And then, wow! Oh, why guys? Natutunaw na siya kasi galing pa siyang Dubai. Wow. This one, guys. So, may vlog. Oh, huh? Try natin siya. Kung crunchy pa rin. Sana crunchy pa siya. Na talaga siya.
Kaya mo yan, tita.
Ayaw niyang mag-ano. Ayun! Still! Wow! OMG! So now we taste it. Taste natin ngayon. Itong sinasabi nilang viral chocolate. Let's see. Medyo masarap, ha? Yeah, crunchy. Taste mo. Sinahulo ka.
Wow, crunchy.
Crunchy? Di ba masarap?
Yeah.
What's it? Go, Anna. One more. Crunchy? Di ba, mami? Pumunta ka ka.
Nako naman.
Di ba masarap? Yummy? Ang sarap niya, guys. Tingnan mo yung pamangkin ko. Grabe, oh. Kumain. Oh! Ang sarap, guys. So, bili na kayo. Ito ang aking review. Thumbs up to the fixed chocolate, viral chocolate in Dubai. See you next time again. Bye.
Welcome to my guys.
Bye!